Charity Simmons, PSP fitness instructor from Cold Lake Air Base. Today I'm going to be making vegetable burgers. So as always with any recipe, it's kind of no rules, whatever you like to do. So I got my beans in here first. I did rinse them to take off some of the salt. So I did some black beans and I had kind of a mix of lentils. And you can throw in chickpeas, whatever you like. Just try and rinse them first. My tool's all full of stuff. This is one of my favorite tools for either ground meat or for something like this to mix it up, to kind of squish them up and flatten them out. So it's your call here. You can leave them kind of more chunky and whole, or if you want to really mix them and blend them up. Then I'm going to add my onion and some celery to the mix. You could add whatever you want here. You could add some corn. If you find the consistency is not great, you could always add an egg. So it's kind of up to you what you want to add. So then I'm going to add some oats. You can have breadcrumbs here, but I'm going to add some oats today. And like I said, if you think it's a little dry, add an egg, but it's pretty moist. I talked to about 5 of my neighbors and we all decided that was, we pronounced this 10 different ways. So Taylor, maybe you'll teach us all how to say this. Add some of that bad boy. And some pepper. Then season it however you like. The only thing I would stay away from, because you're using lentils and beans and everything, is there's already, even though we rinsed them, there's still salt in them. Still some sodium. So anything you kind of add, try and stay away from too much sodium. I really like kind of a smoked flavor, so I've got some natural hickory liquid smoke flavor. I also like some smoked paprika. Again, whatever you like. I'm a big garlic fan, so I'm going to add some of that. So mix it up, make it into burgers, and then from there it's up to you. If you want to eat it like a hamburger, go ahead, but you can just eat it like that if you want. Fry up some mushrooms, put some cheese on it, or like I said, put it on a bun. So about 5 minutes per side. I just put a little oil on the pan and about 5 minutes per side. So easy level, I'm going to give that a 5 out of 5. It's pretty tasty too. Have a good one, guys. Take care.